guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today I just wanted to go over our new consignment. It's a 2022 Gray Wolf. It's a limited and it's got a lot of cool little luxuries in it. Rear bathroom, outdoor grill, surround sound outside, inside. We've got some TVs in there. Right now I'm just going to go over cosmetic, any mechanical stuff that it still needs. Every little thing. We do get a lot of people that come in from out of state, and so we try to be as transparent as we can. This one's really cool. It's got solar panel package on it. Let's take a look inside here. Nice heavy duty steps. So it's got the bunks in the back, bathrooms back there, walk-in pantry, really nice countertops. You'll turn this way. Huge bed. Lots of storage. The details in these things are really nice, super modern. Everything's really clean. You know, again, we'll go over any little scuffs, things like that. AC and heat work great. This is where the solar panel is. One thing I do like about this is the layout, and there's a lot of room. Usually in these U-shaped dinettes, it's a little bit hard for people to move in and out, but as you can see, it's a little bit wider, a lot more comfortable, which is nice. Fridge, freezer, a little bit bigger than typical, which is nice. These walk-in pantries are pretty cool too, lots of room. Huge bathroom. Separate entrance, which is really nice to have too, but lots of space in the bunks. Usually these are a little bit on the small side, but definitely can fit some grown adults if need be. Nice fireplace here with the TV. All right, so we'll start off going over a couple of like cosmetic things that it might need. Let's see a little bit of scratches right here on the side. You'll find those around the RV, but got a lot of extra. So we got sway bars, the special tow hitch, lots of stuff that's all included in there. This thing's got lots of storage. And I'll go over all the specifications, how big the awning is, how much it weighs, things like that in the description below. But it's a huge awning. It's just really nice to have. It's the outdoor kitchen. Another cosmetic thing over here is right here. There's a dent and you can see the peeling separation. Some scratches over here as well. Shower. Pop out comes easily in and out, no issues. Some more scratches there along the bottom. This one was made by Forest River. They always make good stuff. Batteries are still new. There's the propane tanks and really nice unit. So some of the cosmetic things in here maybe that are worth noting is you can see a couple of the scratches right here along the outside of the island there. A couple of nicks and stuff. And then on the top here you can see some wear and tear. Some scratches over along this way. Some scratches along this back side here, the kitchenette. Some paint discoloration right here along this bottom cabinet of the sink. And then on the fridge, you'll see some discoloration, some scratches right there. Some scratches along the door here and below the bunk bed area. And some scratches and dings on the bottom of the kitchenette here. Curtains are pretty nice. Those are cool, striped, but there's a snag right here worth noting. No rips in the leather on this sofa. Everything looks good there. In the pantry, we'll see some wear along the door there. And then on the shelves, see some wear there as well. Along the bathroom door here, see some wear. Bathroom looks to be in really great shape. No mold or staining or warping of any kind, water damage or anything. The bedroom area. Cabinets look to be in good shape. There is some damage right here. Curtains look to be in good shape in the master bedroom. Same with this side right here. All right, we'll take a look at the frame and underside. Frame looks good. No rust. Again, this is a fairly newer model, so wouldn't expect there to be. Tire tread looks good. Bumper looks good here. Spare tire. This is the 26 dBH trim. If you need to go do your comparisons online, it's a really nice model. Again, this is a 2022 Gray Wolf Limited by Forest River. This unit is located at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. By appointment, 11 to 6. Thank you.